Narito naman ang mga naganap na trade at nag-sign ng contract na naaprubahan ng PBA ngayong conference na All-Philippine Cup. Ray Suerte, acquire Converge Fiberxers from Blackwater Bossing trade for BJ Andrade. Troy Malilin has signed with Blackwater Bossing after San Miguel Beermen regulated him to its unrestricted free agency. J.M. Calma, acquire San Miguel Beermen from Northport Batang Pier trade for Avan Nava and future second-round pick in 50th season. Simon Enciso has signed with TNT Tropang 5G. James Quecute, acquire Northport Batang Pier from Blackwater trade for Abu Trater. Calvin Abueva and Jeric Balanza, acquire the rights by Northport Batang Pier from Magnolia Chicken Team Plados Hotshots trade for William Navarro rights plus Magnolia 51 season second round pick. Chris Porter, returning PBA after signing with Rain or Shine Elastro Painters. Mikey Williams, acquire the rights by Converge Fiberxers from TNT Tropang 5G trade for Jordan heading in one-on-one trade deal. At yan ang mga bagong update sa PBA na kung saan naaprubahan ang trade at ang mga bagong sign na mga players.